Hi there, little truck. Today we're going to learn about a shape called a triangle. Have you ever heard of a triangle before?
No, I haven't. What's a triangle?
Well, a triangle is a shape that has three sides and three corners. It looks like this.
Oh, I see. It looks like a hat.
That's right. A triangle can look like a hat or a slice of pizza or a roof. There are all kinds of things that can be shaped like a triangle.
Wow, triangles are cool. How do we know when something is a triangle?
We can tell if something is a triangle by counting its sides and corners. If it has three sides and three corners, then it's a triangle.
Okay, I think I got it. 3 sides and 3 corners make a triangle.
You got it! And did you know that triangles are very important? They help us build things like bridges and ramps.
Whoa, I didn't know that. Triangles are really useful.
Yes, they are. And now that you know what a triangle is, you can look for them everywhere you go.
I will. Thanks for teaching me about triangles, narrator.
You're welcome, little truck. It's always fun to learn about shapes and how they can help us in the world around us.